Hi.
Hi, are you sure this course is just for 2499?
Yes, and you know this is the only course with this expertise across the world.
No way!
Yes way. Don't delay. Enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Hi everyone, and very good evening. Welcome back to Geeks for Geeks practice. Please give me +1 in the chat if my voice is clearly audible to everyone and everything is working fine. Then I will share my screen and we'll start with the problem for yesterday as well. So I have shared my screen. Please let me know if it is visible to everyone or not. And you can hit the like button, then we can get started. So hi Rishit and hi Muhammad as well. Hi Muhammad. So let's get started with the problem. Hi Shreya, hi Berozgar developer, hi Imtiaz. Okay, so let's get started with this good problem. Okay, now this was a easy problem, but I think that it was quite mathematical in nature. It was asked in Amazon. So basically, this problem was not a coding problem. This was an observation based problem, right? So in this problem, what we have been given is we have been in this particular problem there is one scenario, right? We have been given a number x. Okay, like we will be given a number x and we have to find x modulo 11. Okay, so for this given number x we have to find its remainder with 11. So you can tell me that okay, we can directly apply the modulus, correct? In normal circumstances, if I say that okay, x was let's say an integer number, or x was a long number, right? Then in that case we can directly apply the mod. You agree with me? Please give me a +1. If I will ask you that give me x modulo 11, so you can directly give me this thing, correct? Please write yes in the chat. Okay, but in this case what the scenario, like if you will understand one thing, how many like if you will understand one thing, so normally what happens, normally in integer you have 9 or 10 digits, in long you have what, 18 digits or something like that. But in this case x is having how many digits? X has 10 to the power 5 digits. Okay, 10 to the power 5 digits. Okay, normally a number has 10 digits or 20 digits. Okay, integer or long you can say. But x is having how many digits? 10 to the power 5 digits. If I will just show you, so you can see that the length of the string x is given this much. So basically x is having 10 to the power 5 digits. Okay, so x is a very big number. Is that clear? So that is why x is being stored in a string. Is this much part clear to everyone or not? Is this much part clear to all of you? That since x is such a big number, so we have to store it, we are storing it in a string. So that is why from this string we have to apply some mathematics such that we can find x modulo 11. Is this much part clear to everyone? Please write yes in the chat, guys, and then I will proceed further. Is this part clear? Please write clear in the chat. X is having 10 to the power 5 digits, more at most. So in that case I have to find x. If I have to find x modulo 11, so I have to apply some kind of mathematics, because a normal number which has 10 to the power 5 digits, it cannot be stored in integer or long. Okay, so Rishit is also clear, others are also clear. Please write yes in the chat, guys, and then I will proceed further. Okay, great. Now we need to understand a few more things, right? There are several properties. If you will understand one thing, let's say if I have something like 1. Okay, if I do 1 modulo 11, what would I get? Like I think I will get 1. Okay, if I do 10 modulo with 11, so what, like let me do this. Okay, 10 modulo 11, so what will I get? I'll get 10. So there is a pattern you will observe. Okay, if I do 100 modulo 11, so you know that 100 11 nines are 99, so 1 will be left. Okay, again if I do 1000 modulo 11, so you will get only you will get what, 10, because you will get triple nine now. So that is why you will get this pattern will prevail. Then you have 10000. If you do modulo with 11, then in this case you will get what, you will get 1. Is this pattern clear to everyone? Please write yes in the chat. Is this pattern clear to everyone? Right, there's a modulo pattern that you will see if you take the modulos like this. Okay, if you take the modulo with 1, For 11, if you take the, like, if you take 10, then take the modulo with 11. Is this much part clear to everyone, guys? Okay. Now this is one part. Another thing that I want to tell you is, let's say if you have something like x plus y plus z, okay, and you have to take the modulo with 11. Okay, so in that case, what we can use is, we can use the distribution property. We can write it as x modulo 11 plus y modulo 11, okay, plus z modulo 11. Similarly, if you have a property like, let's say you have a into b into c kind of thing, so you can write it as and you have to take the modulo with 11 overall, so you can write it as a modulo 11 plus b modulo 11 plus c modulo 11. See, these are the distributions. Is that clear to everyone, guys? This much part is clear? Then I can proceed further. Okay, these basic properties are clear to everyone? Please write yes in the chat. And this observation is also clear, the basic observation right here. This particular observation is clear. Okay, yeah, so this much part is clear. Now let me take a number from this. Let's say we have 1 3 4 5 only. Okay, so if I have 1, okay, 3, let me write it properly. So if I have 1 3 and then I have 4, let me use much more space. Okay, so if I have 1, then I have 3, okay, then I have 4, and then I have 5. All right, so how can I write it, guys? Can I write this particular thing as nothing but 1000? Like, if I have to take the modulo with 11, remember that. Okay, if I have to take this modulo with 11, right? So can I write this number as what? 1000, okay, plus what, plus 300 plus 40 plus 5, right? This thing, is that clear? I can write it like this, and then then what I can do is, I can take the modulo like this. Okay, let me remove this much extra part. Okay, so yeah, then I can write it as modulo 11. Is this much part clear to everyone, guys? Till now everyone is clear? So I'm trying to use the distribution property here. I'll try to use it. Is this much part clear? A lot of people are watching us, so please hit the like button and give me a +1 if you understand till now. Is this much part clear to all of you guys? Please tell me. You can hit the like button if you are clear till now, or you can write +1 in the chat as well. Rishit says clear. What about others? Others are also clear till now? Okay, now after this particular part is done, so again I can distribute it. Okay, I can write it as what? Like, I can write this particular expression as this 1000 as 1 into 1000. Okay, if I will write it properly, so I can write it as 1 into 1000, let's say. Okay, plus 3 into 100, okay, plus 4 into 10, plus 5, okay, into 1, you can say 5 into 1 kind of thing, and then I can take the modulo with 11. Right, now I will be distributing. Okay, now I will distribute. So if you will see here, okay, if you will see here, so now furthermore what will happen, if you will see here, right? So this will be what? This will be nothing but 1, okay, into what? 1000 modulo with 11, right, plus 3 into 100 modulo with 11, right, plus 4 into 10 modulo with 11, right, plus 5 into 1 modulo with 11. Is this much part clear to everyone? Please write yes in the chat. This much distribution is clear to everyone? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys. Is this much part clear? Okay, now can I say one thing, that one modulo, like one modulo, if you will see, so one modulo 11 is what 1 only, as you can see here, right? You can see here, one modulo 11 is what? 1. Okay, so this will be 1 into what? 1 into what is 1000, what is 1000 modulo 11? Please tell me, what is 1000 modulo 11? Like, if I will expand this further, so you will understand one thing, right? Just give me a second. If I will expand this particular expression further, so let's write this expression further. It will be 1 modulo 11, okay, into 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 1000 modulo 11 plus 3 modulo 11 into 100 modulo 11 plus 4 modulo 11 into 10 modulo 11 plus 5 modulo 11 into 1 modulo 11. Okay, now tell me guys, what is 1000 modulo 11? Please tell me what is 1000 modulo 11. Look at the table and tell me. Look at this table and tell me. Look at this table. What is 1000 modulo 11? Guys, quickly comment down. Comment in the chat. What is 1000 modulo 11? Okay. So you can basically see here 1000 modulo 11 is what? 10. Please write 10 in the chat, guys. You can see here now on the left side I have already written this thing. So 1000 modulo 11 is going to be 10, right? So this will be what? If I will observe, so it is nothing but 1 into 10, okay? Plus what? Plus this is going to be what? 3. And what is this thing? 100 modulo 11. Please tell me, guys. What is 100 modulo 11, guys? What is 100 modulo 11? What is 100 modulo 11? Look at the table. Look at the table that I've drawn. 1. 100 modulo 11 is 1 because 11 nines are 99, so 1 remainder will be left. Okay. Into 1. Okay. Plus what? Plus 4 into. Okay. Plus what? 4 into. Let me write it more properly. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. 1 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Okay. Plus what? Plus 4 into what? 10. What is, because what is 10 modulo 11, guys? What is 10 modulo 11? 10. 10 modulo 11 is 10, right? Plus what? Plus what? Plus 5 into 1, because what is 1 modulo 11? 1 only, right? So is this part clear? You can see the pattern, right? If I had the number, if I will write the number again, if I had 1, then I had 3, then I had 4, and then I had 5. Okay, I think this was the number that I had. Yeah. So if this was the number that I had, so all the digits that were there, no, digits are there. You can see that the digits are there. Okay, the digits are there. The same digits are there, right? You can see these digits are here. This particular digit, this particular digit, this particular digit, this particular digit. 1, 3, 4, 5. But it is alternating, right? It is starting with 1. Last number is getting multiplied with 1. Next number is getting multiplied with 10. Okay, then next number is last digit is getting multiplied with 1, then 10, then 1, and then 10. Please write 1 10, like please write ALT in the chat. It is alternating. Okay, the last digit is getting multiplied with 1 indirectly. Okay, it is 5 into 1, then the next digit is 4 into 10, then the next digit is 3 into 1, then the next digit is 1 into 10. Is that clear? So first of all, you, like, if you will see the from the back side, okay, you can see from the back side this particular pattern, that it is 1, right? Then like the digit, last digit is 5, 5 into 1, last digit into 1, then next digit is 4, so 4 into 10. Okay, then 3 into 1, and then 1 into 10. Is that clear? Please write yes in the chat. Is this observation pretty much clear to everyone? Please write yes, guys, in the chat, and then I can proceed further. Is it clear to everyone, this observation? So every time I have to alternate. If you will observe here, so every time I have to alternate. Okay, first of all, last digit multiplied with 1, then second last with 10, then with 1, then with 10. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Please hit the like button, guys, if you all of you are clear with this. Yes or no? Is everyone clear with this much part or not? Is everyone clear with this much part? Please write yes, and then I will proceed further. Okay, so now proceeding further with the code also. So same thing I have to do. Okay, I'll start from the back side. Okay, just a second. Yeah, so same thing I have to do here also in terms of code. Just give me a second, I'll expand it. Okay, so what I will say is, I'll say that, okay, the final let me yeah, so basically what I will do is, just give me a second. Okay, so basically, first of all, what will I do? I'll start the result from 0. Okay, and then what will I do, guys? Like, I can take a flag variable, like, or maybe I can let me expand this code. Okay, like I can take a direction, like let's say I can take a direction variable. Okay, initially I can take it as 1, indicating that I have to multiply the number with 10. Okay, and I can keep on alternating it. Okay, Now in this case, if you will see, first of all, so I will start that, okay, for let's say int x starts from where, the last sorry, int which number should I take here, like I think I can go for I only. Yeah, I is equal to x dot length. Okay, just a second. X dot length. Okay, minus 1, and I is greater equal to 0. Please write last in the chat, guys. I will start from the last digit. As you could see, basically from the last digit the pattern is there, no? So I have to start from the last digit, and you can see that for the last digit I am multiplying it with 1. Okay, so initially I have taken the direction as 1. Now what I will do here is, first of all, I will find the number, like let's say the digit. So let's say the digit digit is equal to nothing but what, digit is equal to nothing but x of I minus 0. Okay, that will be the digit, right? And then I will check, what I will check is if the direction is 1. Okay, if the direction is 1, so this will indicate that I just need to add like I just need to do this thing, answer is equal, like I just need to do what, uh, result is equal to what, result plus result is equal to result plus the digit. Okay, I just need to add the digit, because like I just need to add the digit and take the modulo with 11, if you will see why, because the last one is getting multiplied with 1, so digit into 1 will be just 1. Is that clear? Digit into 1 will just be 1. Is this part clear to everyone, guys? Please tell me. Is this much part clear to all of you? Please let me know in the chat, guys. Okay, like last like if I'm starting, and let's say if the direction is initially 1 only, right? So whenever the direction is 1, I'm saying I'll change the direction in terms of zeros and ones. Okay, so if initially, if whenever the direction is 1, so direction 1 indicates this position, this one, whenever I have to multiply it with 1. So in that case, I can just add the direct digit. Okay, otherwise what I can say is, otherwise I can say that the result will be equal to what, result plus what, digit into what, guys, please tell me. Digit into 10, because otherwise I am multiplying the digit by 10 now, you can see here. Is that clear? 4 into 10, 1 into 10. So when, like if I will just erase this part. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, yeah, so if I will just erase a little bit of part from here, right, just a second. Okay, yeah, so if you will see here, for this part the direction will be 1. Okay, then here what will happen, the direction will be nothing but 0. I will mark the direction as 0. Whenever the direction will be 0, then I will multiply it with this thing, with 10. Then here I can say the direction will be 1 again, and here direction will be, I am marking the direction as 0. So the digit, like if you will see, so the actual number was what, 1345. So I'm starting from the last, and here the direction is 1. Then here direction is 0, then 1, and then 0, and so forth. So whenever the direction is 0, then I will multiply it with 10, kind of, you can say. Is this part clear to everyone? Hi, Vanshika. Is this part clear to everyone? Then again I will take the modulo with 11 here, right? So here I can take the modulo with 11. Is this part is this much part clear to everyone? And after this I will change the direction. So if I have to change the direction from 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, so I can say that direction is equal to direction zor with 1. So if I have to flip now, so if a number is 1, if I zor it with 1, so it will become 0. Okay, and if a number is 0, if I zor it with 1, so it will become 1. So that is how I can alternate, and I think in the end I can simply return this answer. So I will simply return the answer here. Let me try and compile, sorry, I will just return the result here, not the answer. Yeah, so let's try and compile it. Okay, it says that invalid use. Let me use size here. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, it works on the samples. Let's try and submit it and see what will happen here. So you can see that it gets accepted, right? So it clearly gets accepted. So is this code and everything clear to everyone, right? Like you can write it as else if direction is equal to 0 also, if you want, right? Is this Is this particular code segment clear to everyone? The approach and everything, guys? Please write yes in the chat or plus one in the chat. Overall, if you will see, so we decompose the problem, right? We use the property that if you will see, so we use the property that 1 modulo 11 will be 1, 10 modulo 11 will be 10, then 100 modulo 11 will be 1, then 1000 modulo 11 will be 10, and so on and so forth. This pattern will prevail. Then we did what? Then we had this number, so we broke it down like this: 1000 plus 300 plus 400 plus 5. Then again it would be 1 into 1000, then 3 into 300 would be 3 into 100, 40 would be 4 into 10, and 5 would be 5 into 1, right? Then after that I took the individual mods, so I can say that 1000 is what? This would be 10, this would be 1, then this is 10 again, this is 1, right? So that is the alternating pattern. So from the back side, if I take the direction as 1, so I will just have the digit. Otherwise, if the direction is 0, then I will multiply the digit with 10. If the direction is 1 again, so I will multiply it with 1. If the direction is 0, then I'll multiply the digit with 10. So that is what I am doing here, right? And for alternating the digit, I am using the XOR here. So basically, when I have direction as 1, when I do 1 XOR 1, so I'll get 0. Okay. When I have 1 and direction is 1, and when I do 1 XOR 1, then I will get 0. Okay. And when the direction is 0 and I do zeros or 1, then I will get 1. So that is how I can alternate every time. Is that clear to everyone? Please write yes in the chat, guys. Is this much part pretty much clear to everyone? And yes or no, please tell me. And the time complexity seems to be the length of the word. Is it clear to everyone, guys? Please hit the like button if all of you are clear with this. A lot of people are watching us today. Is it clear to everyone? Please hit the like button, guys, if all of you are clear. Let me now generate the link for it as well. Is this much part clear to everyone? This question, this property, and everything? Yes, in the chat, guys. Okay, so I'll just copy the code from here. All right. Yeah, so this is the code. If there's anything that you have not understood, you can tell me. But I hope that if this is clear to everyone now. So guys, please make sure to hit the like button. Okay. Okay, Abhishek also says that he's clear. So guys, please hit the like button if you have understood till the end. I have explained it very smoothly. So please hit the like button and give me a +1 quickly in the chat. Okay, this is one thing that I require from all of you as an acknowledgement. And after this video is over, you can comment down understood as well. Okay, just after this video will be over, so you can comment down understood as well. Okay, and you can write easy in the chat also. No, it is very easy problem. Like it was just basic mathematics, or you can say aptitude kind of problem, logic only, right? So you can give me, you can make sure to hit the like button so that this video can reach as many people as possible. Now in the end, I will just provide you the code. Okay, thanks a lot, Abhishek. Thanks a lot, Vanchika. Okay, so yeah, this is the code for this particular problem. Okay, so everyone understood everything? Please write yes in the chat. And I cannot see the like counter increasing, so I'm just waiting for 1 more minute, guys. Please hit the like button if you have understood everything. Okay, guys, if you have understood everything, so please make sure to hit the like button. Again, as I have told you, so this is the I don't know where is the code. Yeah, so this is the alternating pattern that you can see. For the last digit, you can multiply it with 1. So for the last digit, you can take as it is. For the second last digit, you can see that it is multiplied by 10, then multiplied with 1, then multiplied with 10 if we have 1 3 4 5 or anything. So that is why we are observing this particular pattern, that I initially take the direction as 1, and if the direction is 1, then I just need to take the digit and take the modulo with 11. Otherwise, what I need to do is I need to do digit into 10 every time before taking the modulo, and I keep on updating the result, and I also keep on changing the direction, flipping the direction. Okay, so guys, before we end, again I'm requesting everyone to hit the like button since a lot of people are watching. Okay, and then I will end this stream. So I hope that all of you understood this problem. Okay, so this was it, guys, for the problem of the day for yesterday. That was asked in Amazon. Yes, obviously, one more thing that I need to share. So, if why it is important to do these problem of the day, because this problem was asked in Amazon, right? So the company that has asked this problem is Amazon. So that is why it's important that every day you should do the problem of the day. Okay. So it was an Amazon problem. So you can make sure to hit the like button, comment on understood, and you can share this video and the problem with your friends as well. Okay. So thanks a lot for joining for today, and I'll see you with another problem of the day on Thursday, I think. Till then, good night, take care, and all the very best. Keep coding, guys, and make sure to solve this problem if you haven't already, and if you understood it, if you're watching the recording, so please make sure to hit the like button as well. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.